5 warning signs your body is seriously deficient in vitamins. Don't ignore them. Have you been feeling constantly tired, experiencing excessive hair loss, dry skin, blurry vision, or body aches without knowing why? Most people assume these symptoms are due to stress, aging, or lack of sleep, but the truth is that they could be warning signs of severe vitamin deficiency. Vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining energy levels, boosting immunity, enhancing skin and hair health, strengthening bones, and protecting eyesight. When your body lacks essential vitamins, it starts to send clear distress signals. Today, I will help you identify 5 key signs that indicate a serious vitamin deficiency and provide practical solutions to fix them immediately. Key Cap 1. Excessive hair loss, brittle nails, a sign of biotin vitamin B7 deficiency. Have you noticed that your hair falls out excessively, even with gentle brushing? Do your nails feel dry, brittle, and prone to breaking? This could be a sign of biotin vitamin B7 deficiency, a vital nutrient that helps stimulate hair growth, strengthen nails, and maintain skin health. Effects of biotin deficiency: significant hair loss, thinning and breakage, weak, brittle, and splitting nails, dry skin, and increased risk of acne. How to fix it? Incorporate biotin-rich foods into your diet, such as eggs, almonds, avocados, sweet potatoes, bananas, salmon, dairy products like milk and cheese. If severely deficient, consider taking biotin supplements under medical supervision. Key Cap 2. Dry skin, chapped lips, and bleeding gums, a sign of vitamin C deficiency. Do you often suffer from dry, flaky skin or cracked lips, even after applying moisturizer? Do your gums bleed easily when brushing your teeth? If so, you may have vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps produce collagen for smooth skin, maintain healthy gums, and strengthen the immune system. Effects of vitamin C deficiency: dull, dry skin with premature wrinkles, bleeding gums, and slow wound healing. Weakened immune system, making you prone to colds and infections. How to fix it? Eat vitamin C-rich foods daily, such as oranges, lemons, strawberries, guava, kiwi, bell peppers, kale. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, which depletes vitamin C levels. Key Cap 3. Joint pain, muscle weakness, a sign of vitamin D deficiency. Do you experience constant joint pain, fatigue, or muscle weakness without any strenuous activity? This could indicate vitamin D deficiency, an essential nutrient for bone health, calcium absorption, and inflammation reduction. Effects of vitamin D deficiency: increased risk of osteoporosis and bone fractures, chronic fatigue, mood swings, and weakened immunity, stunted growth and bone deformities in children. How to fix it? Get natural vitamin D from sunlight by spending 10 to 15 minutes outdoors in the morning, 6:30 to 8 a.m., eating salmon, mackerel, mushrooms, fortified dairy products, and eggs. Consider vitamin D3 supplements if severely deficient, under medical guidance. Key Cap 4. Constant fatigue, dizziness, and pale skin, a sign of iron and vitamin B12 deficiency. Do you often feel exhausted, lightheaded, or unable to concentrate, even after a full night's sleep? If your skin looks pale or dull, you might have iron and vitamin B12 deficiency, leading to anemia. Effects of iron and vitamin B12 deficiency: chronic fatigue, dizziness, and headaches, pale skin, cold hands and feet, weakened mental focus, and memory loss. How to fix it? Consume iron and B12-rich foods such as red meat, liver, eggs, seafood, spinach, lentils. Avoid drinking tea or coffee right after meals, as they inhibit iron absorption. Key Cap 5. Dry eyes, blurry vision, light sensitivity, a sign of vitamin A deficiency. Do your eyes feel dry, irritated, or sensitive to bright light? Are you struggling with blurry vision at night? These are classic symptoms of vitamin A deficiency, a crucial nutrient for eye health and clear vision. Effects of vitamin A deficiency: dry, irritated eyes with increased sensitivity to light, poor night vision, increasing the risk of night blindness, rough, acne-prone skin. How to fix it? Eat more vitamin A-rich foods, including carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, liver, eggs, dairy products. Reduce screen time to prevent eye strain and protect vision. Conclusion: call to action. Take action now. Do you recognize any of these 5 warning signs in yourself? If so, don't ignore them. Start replenishing essential vitamins today to protect your health before it's too late. Drop a comment below about the symptoms you're experiencing, and I'll share personalized advice to help you recover. Like and share this video so more people can be aware and take control of their health. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips every day.